Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show Go Viral. Turn this on to let everyone repost your TikTok videos. First of all, open the TikTok app on your phone. Once you are inside the app, go to the profile section located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, in your profile page, look at the top right corner and tap on the 3 lines menu icon. This will open your settings panel. From here, tap on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap Private Account. Turn Private Account off to make your account public. Go back. Scroll down and tap Reuse of Content. Tap Allow Reuse of Content. Change the permission from friends to everyone. Go back. Under Activity, tap Manage Posts. Tap Manage Post Reuse Permission. Select the videos you want to update. Tap Next. Enable Allow Reuse of Content for the selected videos. Other users can repost, stitch, duet, and reuse your videos, helping increase visibility and reach. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.